You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, this is a word. This is not generally a name. There is a name with a double T at the end. This is normally a word, and it has two different pronunciations in English. This is an habitable attic. The French pronunciation, Garret. In British English, it's normally pronounced as Garret. Garret. Stress on the first syllable, but the American English pronunciation is more commonly as Garret. Garret. Two different ways, Garret or Garret. Did you get this? Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.